y'all, it's Alexis back with another video. So today we're doing a flexi rod look, a little cute little perm rod type of look, but with flexi rods. Cause yeah, I ain't got time to be taking out a whole bunch of rollers. Like, it's just not possible to do a flexi rod. It's possible, I'm just not gonna do it. So we're gonna do it with the rollers. This is a video you'd be interested in watching. Let's get into it. So I decided I'm just gonna show y'all exactly what I do. Instead of just doing the takedown with y'all, I could just show y'all step by step what I do to achieve this look. So of course, flexi rods. These are the ones that I usually use, but I'm literally one short, so it's kind of the same size, but not really. It's a tiny bit off, not by much, where it's gonna matter too much. So first I take the BB wrapping lotion. Any wrap lotion will do. So you don't necessarily have to go to the store and buy anything. If you already have wrap lotion, use what you got. And just comb that through. Try getting it really saturated. Like, I base it off of how it feels. Like, if it feels like it needs a little bit more product, then it more than likely does. So what I do is I start at the bottom and then I wrap it around. And like, once I know I got a good grip on it, okay. And then I go to, oh, there's a piece that's hanging. Okay, yeah, it goes with this. And I go to the second side. Yeah, I believe it's gonna be 3. Yeah, I ain't got no choice but for it to have 3. So, cause that's all I got left. So be really generous with the wrap lotion. It usually doesn't take that long to dry. I usually go in with a curling iron first and curl each section and then put the wrap lotion. Then I put the flexi rods on. But I was feeling, I'm not gonna say I was feeling lazy. I just didn't feel like standing up. And this way I could do the back on a mannequin head and like put it between my legs and wrap it that way. Yeah, I can't, you can't do too much when you're trying to curl hair. So I just decided to do it this way, and then because I don't really know how long it's gonna take to dry. This is honestly my first time doing it with the wrap lotion. So y'all gonna be just as surprised as I am. But I'm almost certain, like, as long as I pretty much do the same technique, we're just using wrap lotion, it should turn out exactly the same. Good thing I don't use wrap lotion like that. Cause I'm tearing it up. And again, go in, just make sure there's a whole bunch on there. And I'll show y'all a picture of the inspiration that I'm going for. And on this side, it kind of got layers. It has layers. So I kind of got to finesse it a little bit. Y'all see? Yeah, but them layers is kind of hard. Yeah, I think when I get up in the morning, I'm gonna sit up under my hooded dryer just to be on the safe side, just to make sure it's like completely dry. And then for this part, I'm gonna bring it forward. Yeah, because I want like a lot of pieces that's like coming towards my face. I don't even know why I did my baby hairs, because I already know by morning time they're gonna be messed up. I should have took a picture of them because I really liked how they turned out. Like, and that's like the crazy thing. Like, I don't even really be knowing what I'm going for. It's just pretty much however it like. That's what it's giving today. That's what it's gonna give. Okay. Y'all see how it's a little bit of a knot right there. Just make sure it's smooth. They don't have too many like bumps. Just wrap it around. Now just wrap it, and that's it. Like, my best, if I could give you any advice on curling hair, putting flexi rods in your hair when it comes to a wig, anyway. Wig, yeah, when it comes to a wig anyway, it's a little different story when it's your real hair. But when it comes to a wig, do the back portion before you put the wig on. Do the back portion on a mannequin head. It'll save you so much time. And then do the front portion. Like, of course, install it first, and then do the front portion. It's either for if whether or not you're using a curling iron and then putting the flexi rods in, or using the wrap lotion and then putting the flexi rods in. So it's pretty much up to you. So I'll show y'all in the morning on how this turned out. So I'm taking off a little band. I pre-did my baby hairs. I wish this focus thing would get off, and because I definitely can't see. So I pre-did that. Okay, so I start from the back and I try to just roll it in a circular motion. Oh, that's pretty. Looks a little different. Yeah, it looks a little different from when I do the, what is it called? When I put heat on my hair. Ooh, these are cute. Yeah, because usually what I'll do is I'll do the heat method, but this time I did the, oh, these are so pretty. I'm just as surprised as y'all. But yeah, I usually do the heat method, and then I'll what is it called? And then I'll put the flexi rod on. but my back was hurting yesterday, so I had been standing pretty much all day. So I was just like, let me pull out the handy dandy wrap lotion and see what it do. Just take all these down. These are so cute. And then what I'm gonna do, as soon as I take them down, let's take a big comb. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. They're so shiny and pretty. I love that. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. I know, y'all. I know. I keep saying it, but they are. So pretty. Like, yup, this is the exact look that I was going for. Yeah, I'm gonna put a screenshot of what I was going for. Look, cute little poodle hair. This is so cute. So then I go in with Tresemme Keratin Smooth Weightless Silk Serum. Yeah, get my face out of it. And I just do whatever. And then I take a wide tooth comb and I pick out my front pieces. This is too cute, y'all. So I just start separating it. I don't know why that went out of focus. I ain't touched it. All this hair. It's so cute. Yeah. Not combed out. Combed out. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb later. tease it. Tease it. Like I want it big, but not like right there. These plants are driving insane. Oh, this is so cute. I love a little cute little poodle hair. I don't know why this piece looking scraggly, but we just gonna put that in the bag. It's a little, put a little bit more. Put some here, cause it's a little. It feels a little dry. My nails are killing me. They just keep breaking.
So this is the final look. So luscious, so beautiful, so me. Very classy, very demure. But thank y'all so much for watching.